you're a damn Filipino Rick Ross, man. Like you had that beard when you was 2.
No, I think you know what it is. I think I hit puberty too fast and too soon because like at age 11, I was already downing San Migs.
Cannot, yo.
I was already downing San Migs at age 11. So I mean,
Yo,
I think that's where puberty kind of hit me too fast. I mean, I see your point though. It is kind of like, I mean, we're in the mids of our 30s. Like we're in it. Like we're swimming thick in it.
I know. So we just we started recording, but for the folks who don't know what we were just talking about, we just got into the middle of our conversation. So I just got some good news, some really good news. Okay, so shout out to Arnold. He just texted me, and he's doing well. He's in recovery. Got into a major accident, and I just saw pictures. I was like, oh my god, like. How crazy. Thank God, like you're home, you're recovering. But it just sucks, because we're in our 30s, and it seems that when we were in our 20s, it was mostly celebration. People are graduating, right? Graduating college or getting their doctorate or master's degree, whatever,
getting a
degree,
job.
right? Getting a career started.
Yeah, getting a career started.
Buying a house,
celebrating your 4th divorce. You know what I mean? Like imagine going through 4 marriages in your mid-20s.
Anyways, you see people, popping babies, right? It's like, but man, in our 30s, like this year, I've gotten like a few notifications that people passed away, and I'm like, man, you're in your 30s, man. People getting divorced.
Yeah, I mean, I had that news when I was 21. So,
like I said, you had your beard when you were 2, man. Filipino Rick Ross.
I was 23. I remember being 23.
Jesus, man, 23. Oh, best years of my life, man.
Dude, 23, I was still trying to wild out.
I bet. Yeah, that's why.
I was still trying to wild out. I can't wild out anymore.
Oh, yeah.
I can't be doing that. And because as age catches up to you, bro, like our bodies aren't made to be that resilient anymore.
Yep.
Like the human body is an amazing thing. Like the human body is one of the most adaptable and the most resilient things in the world. Like we could bounce back fairly easily, but the bounce back tends to happen a lot slower. It's slower, right? Like when you were 18, you could go to a party, you could go to a house party, drink to your heart's content, not have indigestion,
and show up to work at 4.
Show up to work at 4, right? Drink to your heart's content. Still have that drunk meal of Jack in the Box. Curly fries are the best. Curly fries.
Sleep in the parking lot.
Still eat, right? And then go home, go to sleep, wake up 3 hours later, and you're still fine.
Or 20 minutes later.
20 minutes later. Who's counting? But as you get older, past 25, that's when it starts hurting, dude. 25
it's
starts
like
hurting.
A glass of wine just hits you 2 days later.
2 days later, right? Like, have you ever tried day drinking in your 30s, in your mid 30s, bro?
I can't.
It's not a fun experience. It hurts.
It hurts different, and, man. That's why.
So
some of these bottles are still like
full. I like to show you my liquor collection, and this is my liquor collection. I don't drink. I just want you to know that I keep a bottle collection.
Right.
So that's my I'm going to Vegas tomorrow, and I'm kind of like spooked. Like I haven't been out in 2 years. I haven't ridden a plane since the Rona happened. Right. I haven't seen my homies in the past, how many years now. Right. We haven't been together in that kind of a fun environment in so long. And these are my my homies for the past 10 years now. Like my homies. And and it's got me spooked. Like I don't know what to expect. My wife was telling me you gotta make sure you can bring your liquid IV so that you rehydrate. You're not a spring chicken anymore. And I'm like, I know I'm not a spring chicken anymore. I know. I don't I don't think of it as a negative thing that she said. I love how she reminds me that she keeps me on the level because she's seen me in my worst drunken moments. My recovery times are 48 to 72 hours.
I know.
It sucks.
Man, it
sucks.
You know what? We move on.
We do move on.
Move on, you know.
Yeah.
Move on.
Yeah, it just sucks. But anyways, welcome to Daddy Bits, your trade ideas show, hosted by yours truly, the Trading Daddies. I am your host, the Master Crayon Eater, and as always, my amazing co-host.
What's going on? Teflon John here.
Tefleezy Foshizy Zero Con John, because we are now starting from scratch.
Oh,
but
we're getting up there again.
We're getting up there again. We're getting heavier and heavier into certain plays, but we're gonna talk about that more down the road. We have a pretty solid day in the market today. Pretty good day in the market today. I am not complaining. We are seeing certain conviction plays that are paying out. SoFi made a move. Lucid After Hours made a move. Right? Upstart. Good Lord, Upstart.
I think everything's making a move.
Everything's making a move. Everything's turning bullish. So, if you guys aren't, in the group, I think you guys are messing up here. If you guys want to join the group, make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com. Taking L's because you're not trading with the group will make you feel like a nincompoop. Bust Down Academy, bustdowninvestments.com.
I didn't know where that was going. Good job. Give that a 10. That was a good one. I was like, I gotta hear this.
Bro, that word is so underutilized.
It is.
You nincompoop.
How do you come up with these, man? You got to come up like 5 lines a week. Like, how do you come up with these?
It's hard, dude. I can start hitting my greatest hits pretty soon.
Greatest hits. Oh, you got to write down the greatest hits, man. You got to build.
I got to do greatest. Let's have Vince. Vince, please string. Can you make a video of like different ones? Just like the best ones for the last month.
That was a good one.
That'd be dope, dude. Oh man. All right. So before we get into the meat and potatoes of the show, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice preemptive thumbs up because Jonathan gives a thumbs down. A full one, drop down in the comment section below the stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, let's get to it after this intro. I'm excited about these member games.
Hey, you know what I'm excited about?
What are you excited about?
My watch. Best Buy had mentioned that they're shipping out the watch today.
Look at you! Look at you! Takes 4.5 months to buy an Apple Watch, but takes 5 minutes to buy $500 worth of Dogecoin.
No, it was not Dogecoin. First of all, I haven't bought Dogecoin in a while.
Priorities.
Right. Damn! Look at that.
Congratulations! Oh my God, I am so excited. I cannot be any more excited for Andrew. He really did a number on this one. He called this out in the chat yesterday. He said, "Hey, Futu puts $80 strike. I don't remember what the expiration is." And he goes,
"It's next week, next Friday."
He goes like, "I'm confident." He said it out loud, and he was like,
"Man, he probably knew someone from the inside."
Who cares? But look at it. $23,000 on a Futu trade.
Man, oh man.
Congratulations.
Take the month off, man. Call off and tell your boss, be like, I'm taking a month off. Oh, you ain't got no vacation. Yes, I do.
He's trade traveling right now. Congratulations.
There it is, folks. You can trade anywhere in the world as long as you have internet.
Anywhere in the world, right? And just to remind the folks here, Andrew has taken the course.
Man, oh man.
Andrew has applied himself and he's been very, very consistent. He's been like a mainstay in the memory gains page. So make sure that you guys, if you guys haven't yet, you guys know what to hit, right? So we gave him a lot of praise today. We gave him some good congratulatory marks. We got Matt hitting 124 on PayPal, CJ 130 on Roku. We got Tefleezy Foshizy.
Those are internet money, man. Asian boy, pretty much made a card today. Cash.
cash, right?
Those are internet money. Don't worry about those.
Terry hit that voodoo trade as well. You know, I think Andrew and Terry, they weight train together. They hang out.
19. Wow, 1,100 off of Futu.
Yeah, 1,100 off of Futu. Just bananas. These are just
Jesus.
crazy. Yeah, good on them.
Well, that expires he had some puts for tomorrow. I just noticed that 10-15. That's savage, man. Come on. He tripled his money on that one. That's some savagery right there.
Damn,
come on, man.
like that.
Come on,
right?
man.
All right, let's get to the meat and potatoes of the show, and hopefully we could find our next 23,000 banger. You know what I mean? That's crazy. I'm so happy for them. I'm so excited for them. The first stock that we want to cover is UPST, Upstart. John, what the hell is going on with Upstart?
Man, I don't even know, man. But we did say, the MACD was going to curl up. Didn't we cover this like a couple of days ago?
We did cover this a couple of days ago. I draw that ascending triangle, and look what happened.
Yeah, so this one was going to break higher, and it did. But I wasn't expecting an 11% day today, because if you look at after hours, it still went up by 4 more points. So it's actually up about almost 12% for the day. How crazy is that? Because if you look at the daily chart, the MACD, it seems like there's continuation tomorrow because of how it closed after hours. So most likely this is going to gap up a little bit higher tomorrow, 384-ish. If we do have a nice green day again tomorrow, which I do think the market will have, will give us some leftovers tomorrow.
Yeah,
I don't know, half of a percent, maybe. Yeah, because it was such a strong day today. NASDAQ led the day, and pretty much anything that you threw a dart on in NASDAQ,
was gonna hit.
Like any NASDAQ company, you would have made money today. This one right here will seem like it will gap up tomorrow. MACD just crossed over, and RSI, yes, it is overbought, but Upstart's been defying logic for the past like 2 months now. So I don't think there's anything overbought when it comes to Upstart, because the run started back in August 10th at 130. They're about to triple in 2 months.
Yeah, dude. Like imagine that. Like imagine trading it in August.
What the heck?
Imagine trading that in August. That's bananas. Like, how are you?
That's crazy.
I want to know who's buying this.
They were just at 130 2 months ago. You would have tripled your money today or tomorrow.
Dude, they IPO'd at $22.
Oh my god!
Doesn't that just hurt your stomach?
Yeah,
all around.
Because we traded it at IPO.
We did trade it at IPO.
This is so frustrating.
I know, it's so annoying.
So frustrating. There you go, folks. That's a stock market for you. I mean, if you had Upstart at IPO level at $22.
So if you bought Upstart at $22, 100 shares of Upstart in December of 2020, right?
You would have been sitting at 38 grand.
Yeah. You would have spent $2,200. And you would have been up 38,000. Isn't that just the most frustrating thing about the stock market?
I just want to punch something or someone. Okay, let's move on. It's so frustrating.
That's so annoying, bro.
Fucking Upstart, really? Come on, man. Upstart.
That's so annoying.
Of all companies,
it keeps on running.
Come on, man. I don't want to trade Upstart anymore. This is bullshit. Let's move on, man. Well, what's next?
Next one is Facebook. John sees something on the Facebook chart that he really likes. Go ahead.
Dude, I'm over here trying to like sweat my balls on like $200, $300, $400 profit, and you got Upstart that that just keeps running.
Dude, all right. So there was you know how we trade in the morning with Dead Prez, right? So if you guys are on The Voice, he calls out certain call buys, call volumes, right, that are extremely bullish. So flows, right? He uses flow algo, and he mentioned that there was, or I don't know who mentioned it, most likely him, that there was $100,000 bet for Upstart to go past $400.
Whoa.
A whale.
Damn, it's already like extended, but someone is like betting, you know,
that person who spent $100,000 wanting it to go to 400 probably made that bet and just shut it down and probably went boating.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
Crazy, right?
Yeah, that's whatever. That's
whatever. All right, let's take a look at Facebook.
All right, so for Facebook, let's pull up the daily chart right here. Okay, so what you're looking at in front of you is a daily chart. Each candle represents 1 day. Facebook looks really good right here. So I have 3 contracts for November 19th, $330 strike. We're currently down, I think, $100 on it. For this one right here, I love the doji for today. It's teasing around the EMA 9. All it needs to do is just break that 9 and then bounce off of it. That's it. And then we're going to swing it all the way to 340. This one I'm going to give, this one I'm going to give maybe about, a week or so as a play. It's already up after hours. So if you look at, let's look at the 5-minute chart. See, it's up to 329.75, so we might see a slight gap up at around 3 at the EMA 9 tomorrow. So I'm super excited about this one because I was able to add another contract today. So who knows? I mean, this one can be a runner if we have another decent day tomorrow, which most likely we would. 340s are around the corner. That might be by Monday or Tuesday. So
there's a lot of bullish sentiment, especially now that we're like around the corner from the Santa Claus rally. So we're gonna be there's gonna be another dip. I feel like there's gonna be another dip before Thanksgiving before we just go up.
This one, dude, the chart looks nice, man. This one's nice.
It looks pretty.
That MACD is ready, and then it's coming off of oversold levels. So
I like it. I like it.
Yeah,
I like it. The next stock that we want to cover is Microvision. Microvision is a family play.
I think there's like 7 or 8 people on this one.
Yeah, 7 or 8 of us on Microvision.
All right, there was some rumors. Okay, rumors. I don't know, rumors or bashing going on, but I think if you go on TD Ameritrade, they did put out, Microvision is coming down today because of some rumor about Microsoft. Remember, they had that Microsoft deal. When was that? That huge pump.
This was like
back around April.
Yeah, when it hit 28. I think.
Yep. Yeah, around that time. Yeah, when they put out. I think that was when they put out some news. Yeah, when they have some partnership. They struck a deal with Microsoft. Obviously, Microsoft, everyone knows it's a $2 trillion company. Anything that they touch, obviously, rockets, and it did. So today, there's some news or rumor that it's on hold or it's on pause, which I don't understand. Because Microvision still held for the day. This one right here, it's creating a wedge, so you just got to be careful. However, what I saw was RSI's oversold, MACD is ready to curl up. What you want to take a look at is the weekly chart. So let's pull up the 3-year weekly chart. This one right here, I might give it a couple of weeks as a swing type of play. The reason being is that tomorrow it needs to end above 965. Anything below that, we might be slightly in trouble still. I mean, we can just cut the position, but I'm liking my chances over here because the next resistance would be at around 1170. That's the weekly chart. So it takes, each candle represents a week. So I wouldn't expect that to happen in one day. Probably maybe give it a week or so. But let's go back to the daily chart because the daily chart is crucial. We need to break the level of around 10, okay, 1013 to be exact. That's the EMA 9. Today, it kind of teased it. And tomorrow, again, if we have a nice, green day tomorrow, this can break easily. It's up 9 cents after hours. 972, 974 ish. So tomorrow, if it opens above 965 and it finishes above 965, then we have a really good chance for next week. Okay.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So we're all in. Most of us are in the Microvision trade, so we're watching this closely, and we'll keep you guys updated as we go along. But that's pretty much it for today's show of Daddy Bits. I hope you guys found that informative and useful.
No, knowledgeable
and useful,
and informative.
We'll pen this down. Make sure that you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, give us a nice thumbs up, because Jonathan gave us a thumbs down.
You must
a full one. Drop down in the comment section below stocks you guys want us to cover. And with that being said, not yet. Hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy. Don't know where to start. Want to join a group of active traders? Make sure you guys hit up our friends over at Bust Down Academy. Follow us on all our social media. Follow me at Trading Poppy. Follow John at John C Trades. Trading Daddies for the both of us. TradingDaddies.com for all your news, your merch. And now, with that being said, let's get trading. And remember, guys, that the charts do not lie.
Yeah.